Now you can do that. Also, obviously, it's going to change sound between like efficient mode and sport mode, but triple check that your valves are open. So get it up in Sport Plus, Sport or Sport Plus. You know, blip the exhaust a couple of times, make sure it's a little more growly and deeper, and that your valves are open, and then turn the car off. You know, you can also, and I'm not going to show it on camera because looking up in there is really, really hard, but you can also get a bright flashlight and look all the way up into your exhaust tips on either side, and the valve will either be open or closed. You want to make sure that you're looking edge on to your valve being open, because we're going to pull those actuators off when we put them on the new exhaust, and they have to be in the open position. Okay, so get your car up in the air, make sure your exhaust valves are open, and then we're going to slide under the car next. All right, y'all, so here we are under the car. We're sliding in from the tail, so here's the driver's side wheel just for orientation. Okay, so we're going to slide up here as we look, because there's a number of things we're going to be doing along the way here. So one of the very first things we're going to do is we're going to be pulling off this mid-body strut brace right here, because we're going to be replacing it, but we've got to get it out of the way to do the work anyway. So you've got hex bolts all the way around here, and I'll have the correct size for you in just a moment, because I just wanted to point them out. Now, the other thing is, obviously, if the car's been running, everything's still hot or can be hot, so make sure to give it enough time to cool down. But one of the very first things you want to do is go ahead and pull this off. I'll have the correct hex bolt value for that in just a second. So let me get that. Then we're going to take this off. You just basically take these 6 off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then slide this out from these strut arms that come down. You just push it forward, out, and away. But again, make sure to give your exhaust enough time to cool down.